This sound deadening headliner kit with a black original finish is a great upgrade for 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT hardtop owners looking to reduce interior noise, improve insulation, and enhance overall cabin comfort. Whether you're dealing with road noise, wind, or extreme temperatures, this headliner kit provides an effective barrier for a quieter and more comfortable driving experience. This headliner kit is designed to significantly reduce interior noise by dampening vibrations and absorbing the sound waves. By minimizing wind, tire, and road noise, it allows for easier conversations and better audio clarity inside the cabin. These can lower the outside road noise by up to 4 decibels, and in addition to soundproofing, the thick insulated material helps regulate interior temperatures by blocking excessive heat in the summer and retaining warmth in the colder months. The pre-cut design ensures a perfect fit for the Gladiator's hardtop, and its black original finish blends seamlessly with the factory interior for a clean, OEM-like appearance. This is made from high-quality acoustic foam with a durable outer layer. The headliner kit is built to withstand temperature changes, moisture, and everyday wear. The self-adhesive backing ensures a secure bond with the hardtop, preventing sagging or that peeling over time. The material is also lightweight, yet dense, maintaining durability without adding unnecessary bulk. Now, as far as pricing goes on this full kit, it's coming in right in that lower 400s price range, which is a solid value for making your ride more comfortable, reducing noise, and helping you control the temperature of your cabin with some insulation properties. Installation is going to be super quick and straightforward, and like I mentioned, it's got this peel and stick backing. All you do is peel this off, set it into place, and attach it to the top. The kit comes pre-cut to fit the factory hardtop, so no trimming or modifications are needed once you have the kit. Just simply clean that surface really well for the best adhesion. You line up the panels and press them firmly into place for a secure fit. You're done. The entire process takes about 1 hour, probably a little bit less of your time. But now, let's see exactly how this goes on your Gladiator with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
First of all, you want to take out the 6 bolts that hold the top on, unplug the rear defrost plug, have some help and lift it off, and we set it on our bed cap on the Gladiator, and it has a moving blanket under it so it doesn't scratch it. Take rubbing alcohol and you'll rub down the whole inside part of it, and then they give you these strips, which are basically just to make up the divots in the top. They'll fit in there in each way, and if you look at the instructions actually tell you everything that you need to know as far as where they go in each spot of them. So I've already got the alcohol and rubbed down everything inside. So I'm going to now take the tape off of the back of this and actually stick it so you can see it actually done. So they said that to use a utility knife to separate it, but it comes off really easy. So there's 2 ways you can do it. You can either peel it all the way off and stick it down, or you can peel it partially off and put it down. I prefer to just peel it all off and stick it on there. It's a lot faster, not much to it. Like I said, you're just filling the voids. All you're doing in your panels, because they have little indentations in there, so you're filling the void so the big mat can actually adhere to the top of this fiberglass and then it'll actually adhere to the foam a little bit too. You're just sticking it in the low spot, and when you clean it with the alcohol, it makes it adhere relatively good. Okay, so we got all the pieces stuck in there that need to be. So I took both of the mats and just turned them over just to make sure of how they're going to fit. So you can see that they're going to fit nice, and it would probably help to leave the one in there. Take the paper off of the back of the other one because there is a seam right here. That way you get the seams pretty much close. So I'll flip this over and we'll take this off. Back of this is very sticky. So we'll start it back here with the seam. Get it in place, and then just kind of lightly let it fall down. That way it just kind of goes right down into place. So just lightly take your hand and rub it on it to get it to adhere. Okay, so we got the other pieces in here. Like I said, they just fill the indentions that's on the panel. So just me being me, I like putting it up there, fitting it, make sure it fits good, kind of give you an idea of the way it's going to be. So also I found out that it's easier to peel this off and leave the paper on this small section that's going to go under here. That way you don't have to worry about it flopping around and getting stuck somewhere that you don't want it to be stuck. And then you can just kind of fold this up in here. Nice and neat. Get her tucked in where it should be. And then on this one, see, all you gotta do is just pull this back, grab the paper, pull it off, and then just let it go right down into place. Just like so.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the sound deadening headliner kit with a black original finish for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT hardtops. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.